everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a logo with no design experience needed and entirely for free. First of all, you can start with a free website you can make with website.com or choose a paid plan to unlock more professional features. But even with a free plan, you can make your very own logo. Once I've created my account, I can go right into the editor, and you'll see that this template already came with a temporary logo. But I'm going to show you how you can build your own logo using the icon element and your own font. So I'll click on the icon here and choose Change Icon. You'll see that there's a drop down of a bunch of different icon categories. Go ahead and pick the icon that matches your business. For example, if I'm making a logo for my all-natural skincare line, I might choose these leaves under People and Nature. Now, if you want to change the color, just click on the icon and hit Icon Color. Just pick your color and click Save, but for me, I like this minimalist white, so I'll just leave it as it is. Now I'll double-click on the text and change my brand name. Keep in mind for your logo, even if your brand is trademarked or incorporated, you typically just want to include a shortened version of your brand name. For example, if you think of Pepsi, their logo is just their icon and the word Pepsi rather than Pepsi Cola Incorporated. So this is something to keep in mind when you design your logo. Now to change the font, I'm just going to highlight the text and open up this drop-down to pick my font. When you're picking a font, you want to pick one that matches your brand, and you also want to make sure that it's clear to read so that it helps visitors remember you. Now I'm just going to click and drag on the icon to resize it and move it around. Now my logo is complete and it just took a few minutes. For users with a business plan and above, you can take your branding one step further and upload your own custom font that is specific to your brand. A custom font can help you establish brand awareness and make your business memorable. For example, you can download custom fonts online from sites like Google Fonts, or even buy a font from a font designer and use your custom fonts not only on Photoshop for your marketing materials, but also on your website to create consistency for your brand. To use a custom font on your site, just click Design on the left here, click Fonts, and then click Manage your fonts. Make sure you already have your custom font downloaded on your computer in one of the supported formats, and then click Upload. So to make your logo go live on your site, all you have to do is click Publish in the top right and click Publish. I'll just show you a preview of my logo here. So that's it for this video, but be sure to look through our channel to find out other awesome things you can do with the website.com site builder. We'll be making new videos frequently, so stay tuned, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments.